to Nadula here for sponsoring this video. I'm excited. That's the wig. We have a wig cap, edge band. Now this is the wig. This is a 10-inch bob. I'm excited to see. It's like a Yaki texture, and you can't go wrong once you get a good Yaki texture wig. Now this is the wig. You see that lace? Yes. It is perfect, and I love it. Now this is a layered bob, so they already layered the front, which I'm excited about. Of course, it's a 7x5 wig as well. And of course, you cannot go wrong with the drawstring. Told you guys that multiple times. All you gotta do is pull the string once it's fitted on your head. Pull that down. You're secure. There's another extra piece that you will pull down, and then you tuck the remainder under the wig. Once you tuck this, hold on. Once you tuck this, it's supposed to be seamless. You're not seeing anything. Now, like I said, the lace is spectacular. And this is it. We have a band as well. So we have a double security, and it's adjustable. The wig cap is perfect. We are gonna get in and style this wig. It's a bob. You cannot go wrong with a bob, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be super easy. So let's go to install. Okay guys, we are gonna do the install. I added the cap already, and this is the wig. Let's put it on. First thing first, I like to fit my wig to see, OMG, to see how they're gonna look. And the lace, yeah, perfect. So I told you guys this is a 7x5 lace, which is spectacular. Super thin, it's a HD lace, of course. You guys can see that. All right, make sure it's middle. This is nice. It's 10 inches. I specifically went with a 10-inch. We're gonna pull this tight, and I'm going to use whatsoever. Okay, I was just trying to play with it to see, but we don't need any. What I'm going to do though, like right at the end, in order for you to have that illusion as if it's a frontal, I like to go just right at the end where you have the starting of the lace, and take out this here. We're gonna cut that and sweep it so it falls into the starting. That's all. But this wig doesn't require no baby hair, and the reason why I'm doing this is just for the illusion as if it's a frontal instead of a closure, because the wig really doesn't need all of that. So that's the reason why I'm doing it. And then we're gonna come in and add layers to it. See that? Yes. All right guys, you see this wig? We're gonna use a hot comb so we can mold any flyaways that we have. I'm not gonna lie, you know, it's a Yaki texture wig, and just looking at it, I'm like, we really don't need to do much with even the flat iron, because it came so perfect. So, but I'm gonna show you guys, because obviously it's gonna look way better. But if you're on a rush, you have this wig, all you have to do is slip it on. Very simple. I love the lace. the lace is just everything, because we all know once we're wearing a wig, we want to make sure that lace doesn't look like it's a wig. So for this one, you don't get that vibe. All right, let me see. Yes. All right, let's keep on doing this. This is it, y'all. Look at this. It's a Yaki texture. What I want to say is, if you guys love a bob and you like it like this, always go with a 10-inch. I went there, especially if you're going to install it yourself and you want it to be super easy, which no additional cutting. This is it. This is the 10-inch, and I'm telling you, okay, Nadula did their thing with this wig. I absolutely love it. You see that lace though? Like, remember I told you I want the illusion on the sides? It is perfect. Let's look at that. Let's go around the back so we can see how it looks. This is real time, okay? Real time. Look at that. Alright guys, what do you think? Listen, I'll definitely have the link to this wig and Nadula's website. You guys can check it out. Need not much, okay? Absolutely love it. And you guys are seeing it. It's given, but the lace, what? You see that? Absolutely beautiful. So I'll definitely link it, and there will be a discount, so make sure you click on the link